These are the Parrot Zikmu 100 watts RMS wireless speakers designed by Philippe Stark. Using the docking station, I can connect my iPod or iPhone and enjoy my music in stereo. I can even listen to my favourite web radio on quality speakers through my iPhone apps. What's more, the RCA connector makes the Zikmu part of my TV system, with no space constraints as they are wireless. And speaking about wireless, what's better than listening to my music from my Mac or iPhone streamed over Bluetooth? Actually, I can do this with all Bluetooth devices. With Zikmu, there's even more. When using my web browser, I can play my Mac or PC music library directly on my Zikmu, thanks to its Wi-Fi connectivity. Now, I can use it to enjoy all my playlists stored on all my devices, from my iPhone, my iPad, my PC, or my Mac.